How to scan Snapchat Snapcodes. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to scan Snapchat Snapcodes. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So to do that, you just simply go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Assuming now that you have updated your Snapchat app, you may now open it. And then right here, there are actually two ways in scanning the snap code on Snapchat. So the first one is just by here on the camera section, direct your camera to a snap code. So I'll just direct my camera and press and hold anywhere on this screen. So as you can see, it will scan and will show the profile of my friend or my own account right here. And then you may also proceed with the second step or the alternative. So you just go to this plus icon right here found on the upper right and then click on snap code. And before that, you should have saved the snap code of your friend, for example. So click on that snap code and then again, it will show you the profile of that user. So just to recap, the two ways in scanning a snapcode is to direct the snapcode on your camera and then press and hold on snapcode and it will show the profile. And the second one is by clicking on this plus button and then this snapcode icon right here. Click on the snapcode and then that's it. That's how you can scan Snapchat snapcodes.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.